Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an amazing day today. And as you saw today, we're going to be discussing the Boxyluxe for the month of March. So this is the first Boxyluxe of 2021. And if you're new into my channel, welcome. My name is Mervice. So before we start the video, I will tell you a little bit more about Boxycharm and Boxyluxe. So as you see, this is a pretty huge box. It is way bigger than the normal Boxycharm. I have previously reviewed a lot of Boxycharm videos, so I will leave some of them over here for you guys to check them out if you want to know a little bit more about Boxycharm. But basically what it is a subscription box service, and basically you get a box every single month. However, you have the option to upgrade now either to premium, or you can also upgrade to Boxyluxe, which actually comes every 3 months. So in Boxyluxe, you're going to receive a full-size products every 3 months. The cost is actually $53 with 49 cents. That's what I got charged last time. But on their website, they will tell you that it's an additional $24.99 on top of what you pay for Boxycharm. So again, it just costs around $53 and you get it every 3 months, but you need to be subscribed to Boxycharm. And then I haven't done a video in a while from Boxycharm, so I have been wondering, do I want to cancel? Do I not want to cancel? And I figured that maybe we should just all walk through the Boxyluxe and see if it's actually worth the amount of money that you pay for. So it's going to be a super quick unboxing. I'm going to start with the first product that I can grab over here. As you saw, by the way, the box is super huge. So starting with the first product over here, this is an eyeshadow palette. I feel like most of the times we actually get eyeshadow palettes in Boxyluxe. This one, it is by the brand BB Beauty London. It costs $50. It says it is a Boxyluxe exclusive, so it looks like this eyeshadow palette maybe was just designed for Boxycharm. So I'm going to see what the colors look like. So I got the palette out of the slip, and this is what it looks like. It actually has a mirror, and as you see, it's just like a lot of kind of neutral colors. I feel like it's more on the light side. So we have a lot of like neutral light colors. I feel like it's mostly metallic. So basically matte, I see 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 actually, and everything else is metallic. I feel like it looks nice. I'm not gonna swatch it because I kind of feel off the bat that it is a palette that I probably won't get much use out of, because I have some of these colors. It just has a lot of like golds and like bronzy colors that I already have, and I am not very drawn lately into like big palettes, so I feel like this is something that I would rather just give to someone else that can enjoy it better, and I'd rather give it to them new. So I'm going to pass on this one, but I feel like it's a nice palette. I mean, and the quality is probably good. And now going into the next product, it's actually a skincare product, which is one of the main things that I've been loving about Boxycharm and Boxyluxe lately, and the only reason why I actually decided to keep Boxyluxe this time. This one is by Glow Recipe, and it's the Plum Hyaluronic Serum. This retails for $42, and so far all the products that I've been able to try from Glow Recipe have been really good, so I'm really excited to try this one. So getting the product out, this is what it looks like. So it's a really cute like round bottle, and I think it comes with a pump. Yeah, so it comes with a pump, and it's hyaluronic acid. But I feel like already paying $53, this is $42, and I know that I'm going to use it. It's something that already is telling me that it's worth. However, it doesn't stop there. The next product is one that I was super excited to see coming in Boxyluxe. I actually lied because the only reason wasn't the Glow Recipe. I also was excited to receive this foundation by Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Lawn Wear Foundation. I actually wanted to try it since it came out, and I just never got I don't know, I just didn't want to pay for it. So this one retails for $36, and it's a lawn wearing, supposed to be lightweight foundation. I know that it's like very full coverage, and it's really good for oily skin, so I'm super excited to try it. This is actually what the foundation looks like. It comes with a pump as well, and I think the color, I might have picked a nice color. So this one is 310, and it looks like it's gonna work for me, so I'm super excited to try it. Kind of wish I would have tried it today with my makeup, but this is what it looks like. I know it looks a little bit light there because of course it's a very like intense swatch. And by the way, just so you have an idea, it actually comes with a card, which is what's giving me all the information I need, the pricing and all of that. So I'm grabbing the products in the order of the card. The next one over here is a hair mask. So as this one I have right here by the brand Rose Plus Quartz, and it retails for $31. It looks like it's a mask without any sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens, and other ingredients that are not very good for you. It says that it's good for all hair types and is vegan and cruelty free. So hopefully it's a good product that it will work for me. I'm actually curious to smell it. I have received a few products from like Boxycharm for my hair. Some of them have smelled really good, but there was one that I received that wasn't very good. Oh, this one actually smells amazing. It smells like a lotion or something. So I'll be excited to try this one and see how it works. And then going into the next product is actually a brush holder. This is a product that I got to pick, and by the way, I guess that's something I should have mentioned. So when you have Boxycharm and Boxyluxe, they usually let you pick either 1 to 2 products every month. So I had the option to pick the Fenty foundation, and then my second option was this one, not because I needed it, but because the other option that I wanted was already sold out. You kind of have to pick pretty quickly when they give you the choice option, because if not, a lot of products sell out. So anyways, this is a brush crush makeup brush holder by the brand G by Gennaro, and it comes in this box like I'm showing you. All right, so after the struggle of getting this out of the box, this is what it looks like. In the back it has the name of the brand, and then in the front it has like basically 3 different sections, and it says face, eyes, and lips. So basically I guess you could put your brushes accordingly in that holder. And I don't know if I said that it retails for $34. So now going into the next product is another one that I actually didn't know I was getting, but it's exciting. And this is a brush by the brand KVD Vegan Beauty, which used to be Kat Von D. And this is the Look at Itch foundation brush number 10. It retails for $34. All right, so this is what the brush looks like. It actually looks like really high quality kind of brush. It has a very interesting kind of like different shape. I don't know if you can actually see it very well, but they say that the shape helps kind of just sculpt shape of your face according to the shape of your face and like the curves of your face. So I can definitely kind of see that. I guess if I even wanted to apply a concealer here for foundation, maybe it's nice. So I'll be excited to try this one as well, and this is a nice surprise. So now going into the next product, it's actually by Dominique Cosmetics, and this is the Creamy Feel and Define Lip Liner. This one retails for $18, and it's just a liner. The color I got is Crush, which seems to be a pink color. So this is kind of what it looks like, and I think it's a retractable lip liner. It actually has like a different kind of shape, so it's like a triangle kind of shape, as you see over here. As far as the color goes, it looks like it's a nice mauvey pink. It actually looks a little bit darker than what you can see in the color in the outer package. So I'm happy to see that, because I thought it was gonna be too light for me. I probably could have worn this today. So I'm actually excited. I don't think I have that color as a lip liner, and I don't know if I said it, but it retails for $18. I know Dominique Cosmetics is a little bit more expensive brand. So anyways, going into the next one, and I think our last product is actually a lip plumping mask, which is really interesting. This is by the brand AMNH Skincare, and it's called Kiss the Stars 24K Gold Lip Plumping Mask. Really long name. It retails for $42, which is super crazy to me. I mean, it better be an amazing mask. It says it helps plump your lips, moisturize, nourish, and it gives you a tingling sensation. So I guess that's the pumping part. It gives you softer, more kissable lips. So I don't know, I guess I'll have to try it and see what I think about it. It smells a little bit like peppermint, so I can imagine that that's what's gonna plump your lips. Actually, peppermint on my lips is not really very compatible, so this might be a product that I might be a little too scared to try, because peppermint sometimes reacts on my lips and gives me like little bumps. So I might just pass it away, but it smells really good and looks nice and interesting. It just has a bunch of glitter. So as you see, the glitter just makes it look really nice and interesting. So yeah, another nice product. All right, friends, so that is it for the products. I received 8 full-size products, and at the end I added them up and it came to $247 worth of products, which again, paying $53 I think is a really good options. However, I feel like you need to check the kind of products that you receive in Boxycharm, and if you feel like those are things that you're not gonna use or you would not be excited to try, then maybe it's not worth for you. For me, I've been subscribed to Boxycharm for, I don't know, maybe more than 3 years, and I always say, or sometimes when I don't really love the boxes, I say like, well, I'm gonna cancel the for next month or whatever, and I never end up doing it because there's always at least 1 to 2 products that I feel are worth my money or that I know I'm gonna get use of, and usually adding the price of those 2 full-size products would be like way more than what I'm paying for the box. So that to me just adds up to being worth paying for the box. And just as a last highlight of the box, if I can tell you which my favorite products are from this box, definitely the Fenty Beauty foundation. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this, so I'm super excited about that. The Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I love hyaluronic acid, so this is something that I'm definitely gonna use, and I actually wanted to try it before even seeing it on Boxycharm. And the lip liner surprised me a lot, so I'm going to definitely enjoy this one. I don't have a lot of lip liners right now, so I can definitely use some of that. And the foundation, which again, I don't know if I'm gonna love, but the shape is really interesting, so I feel like even if I don't love it for foundation, I'm pretty sure that you can use it for like cream contour and things like that, and that's gonna be really cool. So anyways, that is it for the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to keep watching more videos like this. I also do a lot of like makeup tutorials, skincare videos, and things like that. So subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell button so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I have been posting videos once a week, so stay tuned for that. Love you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!